Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about Instagram feature that is not showing for many users. So when you go to Instagram and after we click on the messenger icon over here, then we can see a note option. Simply after clicking on it, we cannot see the camera option that is coming previously. So through which we can easily upload our videos and photos. So how can we get that camera option back on Instagram? In this video tutorial I will show you. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So what you need to do is, first you need to restart your device once. So for that, simply press the power button and here you can see power off or restart. So simply scroll the restart option, and once your system restarts, now launch Instagram app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear cache of the app. So for that, hold the Instagram icon over here, then click on app info. After that, click on storage uses and here you can see clear cache option. So simply you need to click on clear cache, and after that you should check for the update option if there is any update available for Instagram. So for that you need to go to Google Play Store. In the search option you need to type Instagram, and here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is available, simply update it, and after that check if the camera option is visible or not. If not, you should also check if your phone needs any update. So for that, go to settings and then go below, and here you need to click on about device, and after that click on here, and here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is there, you simply need to update your device to the latest version, and after that launch Instagram and check if you can see the camera option or not. If not, what you need to do is simply open Instagram and then click on the icon over here, then click on three dots and then go below, and here you need to click on help option. After clicking on help, then click on report a problem, then click on report problem, and after that here you need to explain whatever issue you are facing. If you have any screenshot, then you can simply upload it from here, and after explaining whatever the issue you are coming across, now click on send option. After sending it, now wait for some time unless you get a response from the Instagram team. Hopefully they will try to resolve the issue and you can easily access the camera feature on note app or note section on Instagram. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.